Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you the incredibly useful Homepage, the all-new app that allows you to access and organize your contacts like never before, combining all the best aspects of social media apps and instant messaging. Homepage provides users with a convenient and efficient way to contact friends, family, and coworkers at any time. Explore the many great features of Homepage in this video made in collaboration with Preapps, and discover how you can completely change the way you communicate through your mobile phone. Homepage is launching soon for free on the App Store and Google Play, so be sure to check out the link in the description to learn more and get ready for it to launch. Let's take a closer look. With Homepage, you get complete direct access to contact information, social media pages, and so much more with the simple push of a button. Start off by creating your profile, adding photos of yourself as well as contact info for your friends and family to see, and Homepage allows you to select which pieces of info will be made available to certain contacts, such as provided email address and phone numbers, so you can be sure that all of your privacy needs will be met. In addition, the app will automatically generate a personalized QR code to send to contacts, allowing them to instantly view your Homepage profile. Through the Connections tab, you can upload social media profiles like your Facebook page, Twitter account, WhatsApp number, and so many more to your profile. This way, you can select the contacts and what they can access whenever you share your online profile in one secure and convenient location. With so many ways to connect and other ways to build your network, Homepage has something for everyone and is bound to make your life so much easier. Another great feature of Homepage is the My Wall tab, where you can see posts from other contacts within Homepage. Post status updates, photos, videos, and so much more to keep in touch with your friends and family like never before. Homepage also offers fast and effective in-app messaging. Rather than bothering with texting or phone calls, you can contact other friends who use Homepage straight from the app. Homepage also lets users organize conversations depending on the contact and flag important messages, so you can always keep track of essential information. With tons of unique and helpful features, you'll have all of your communication needs covered with this one awesome app. Unique and effective and efficient, Homepage has a wide variety of options for recording contact info, messaging friends and family, and posting awesome content, making it the perfect app for all your social networking needs. Whether it's for work, school, or simply staying in touch with friends and loved ones, Homepage has something for everyone and lets you organize your online presence like never before. Be sure to check out Homepage's official website using the link below and download it for free when it launches on the App Store and Google Play. Enjoy.